The all-new iOS 16 is finally here, so good news for anyone using the iPhone 8 or above. iPhone users are now able to take advantage of this operating system, and here are the 5 best features of the iOS 16 that I think you'd love to take advantage of, and we'll look at them right away. Let's go. First up is the edit, unsend, and unread messages on the iOS 16. iOS 16 has brought some major improvements to iMessage. Since now it's available to all users, you have 15 minutes to edit and 2 minutes to unsend any message. This is very useful when you misspelled a word or sent the wrong message to the wrong person. When editing a message, Apple will now show the history of the edited message, plus the user will have up to 5 chances to edit that content. Unread, on the other hand, is useful to help you keep track of what messages you want to answer later. It's important to notice that at least edit and unsend message feature is available to all devices that are running iOS 16, iPad 16, macOS 13 Ventura, or watchOS 9. Just wanted to let you guys know so that you can keep a note of that. The most important feature of the iOS 16, or at least the most noticeable, is the new lock screen. It offers a handful of new customization, letting you edit the lock screen almost in any way you want. It's easy to customize the font, color, or placement of the elements on your lock screen by tapping them. With the multi-layered photo effect, photo subjects are dynamically displayed in front of the time to make the subject of the photo pop. In addition to that, you can also add, for the first time, widgets to the lock screen in iOS 16. And not only widgets made by Apple, but third-party widgets as well, which I think is a great feature to have. Also, I just want to mention here that iOS 16 also adds music and podcast preview on the lock screen as well. Live text was already great with iOS 15. You could grab information from a photo by selecting the live text, a telephone or address, for example. You could use that information. Now, with live text in videos, the text is completely interactive in paused video frames, so you can use functions like copy and paste, lookups, and translate. You can pretty much do the same thing that you could with iOS 15. Now it's available not just in photos, but in videos as well. In addition to that, live text with iOS 16 adds recognition of Japanese, Korean, and Ukrainian text. Focus mode is getting even more useful in the iOS 16. For example, the lock screen can link with your focus mode, so if you're working, your lock screen will reflect the focus set. And with focus filters, you can set Apple apps like Calendar, Mail, Messages, and Safari to draw boundaries for each focus you enable. In addition, you can have a focus turn on automatically at a set time or location while you're using a certain app, which is more useful than just a particular time. Passkeys plans to replace passwords with an easier and safer sign-in method by using your face or fingerprint with Face ID or Touch ID. It's protected against phishing and website leaks since passkeys never leave your device and are specific to the site you created them for, making it almost impossible for them to be phished or hacked. In addition, Passkeys syncs across devices and lets you sign in on all the other devices. Apple says that it is trying to reach an industry standard so you can sign in to websites or apps on other devices, including non-Apple devices, with your saved passkeys by scanning the QR code with your phone or iPad and using Face ID or Touch ID to authenticate. Now, these are the 5 iOS features that I consider the most important. Which one's your favorite feature in the operating system? Share your thoughts in the comments section and let me know, how did you like the iOS 16 if you have already installed it? If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do subscribe to the channel. It helps me bring more and more such videos for you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.